Hello, Dong. Just wait for a minute. I will drink a water first, okay? Hello.
Oh,
Hello, Dong. Good evening. Hello.
hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
What?
Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good evening. Can you hear me, Dong?
What?
Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening. How are you today, Dong?
I'm fine.
Okay, very good. Have you already eat your dinner?
No.
Sorry that I did not admit you last time because I have a class on that time, okay? I have a class, what hour did you go? Did you in my Zoom? I have a class on that time because I have a class before you, okay? So just wait for a minute to have a class, okay, Dong? So you will not wait for me for a long time, okay? So you can in the Zoom at exactly 9:55 or what is that, 10, okay? So now look at the picture. What
Okay.
can you see in the picture, Dong?
Yes.
Yes, so what can you see in the picture?
I
Okay,
see the rocket.
yes, that it is a rocket space, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay, so today we have a lesson about a journey into space. Okay. So let's start with vocabulary. Go. Okay.
Astronaut.
Please repeat.
Astronaut.
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 Okay, very.
Astronaut. Planet.
Planet.
Rocket.
Rocket.
Ground.
Ground.
Environment.
Environment.
Temperature.
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 Temperature. Okay, very good. So just remember that word, okay? So now complete the sentence about the pictures. Okay, number one, can you read it and answer the next number? Okay, number one, an astronaut is jumping off the top of the stars. Okay, number two, what is your answer? You can choose your
The
answer here. Two of the
Golf.
again, two of the astronauts are playing. What is your answer? Continue. Please read
Golf.
whole sentence. Okay. Okay. Number 3, what is your answer?
Open.
Number 4.
Langer.
A robot with a square head is watching TV inside the rocket. Number 5.
Langer.
Number 6.
Ground.
Okay, number 7. That is ground. Okay, can you read number 2 with the correct answer? Okay, example. Two of the astronauts are playing golf near the strange 3. Okay, number 3. Complete.
The rocket door is open.
Okay, number 4.
A robot is a robot with a square head. It watches TV inside the rocket.
Okay, number 5.
One of the planes is
One of the planets
longer
is.
than the other two.
Okay, very good. Number 6.
The tree have got leaves that look like little
Little hands.
hands.
Okay, number 7.
Little hands.
Number 7.
The ground under the rocket look a bit like sand.
Okay, very good. So lesson on right names, okay?
12B. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can?
Please
Good.
listen carefully,
The
okay?
robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it Glustida.
Okay. So you know already the name of the robots, the other name of the robots.
No.
Okay, can you listen again?
Yeah.
Okay, please listen again and write the names, okay? I already give you two examples, okay?
12b. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Zenif. Now look at the three astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Yebarchi. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's Paviol. Can you see the third astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it Glustida.
Hello, Dong.
Yes.
Do you have one robot again? Do you know the other name of one robot?
One person.
Okay, I will give you the answer. That is Paviol and this is Jennifer. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, let's have an audio script so that you can remember. Okay, so please read that. Okay, go. Please read that. Hello, Dong. Can you read that?
Yes. Can you see the robot in this picture? You can. Good. The robot's name is Dennis. You speak that Z
Z.
Enif. Now look at the three astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name is Yabati. I will spell that for you as IEBARCHI. The astronaut that jumping out for the rocket that a really unusual
Unusual.
name to he called
Paviol.
Paviol. That Piviol. Can you see the first astronaut? She at the front of the picture. Look, she playing badminton too. Her name is
Glastida.
Lucia.
Glastida.
Glad to glad to there. What her name now? You spell it GLUSTID.
DE. Okay, very good. So now, what differences can you see? How many differences point can you see? Go look at. In the
I
first
see
pic.
a rocket.
Yes.
I see the tree. I see the rock. I see the sport, badminton and golf. I see the robot. I see the. I finish.
Okay, so look at the differences between the two pictures. Okay, let's find out. In the first picture, look at, there are two astronauts, right? Can you see it? So in the second picture, the two astronauts are playing badminton. In the first picture, they are playing golf. Okay, that is different. Next, in the first picture, we have one robot, and the robot is looking at the television, and then the second one is the robot has no chair. Okay, look at, that is the difference. Okay, next, we see in the second picture the rocket. In the next picture, we cannot see the rocket, we only see the planet. Have you seen it? That is another difference. Okay, next, on the first picture, there is rock on the tree, okay? But in the second picture, that is none already, okay? So, on the first picture, the hands of the astronaut is orange, while their hands in the second picture is white, right? That is already a difference, okay? You got that, Dong? Dong?
Yes.
Okay, so can you see already the difference of the two pictures? Okay. Okay, just look at. We already circled the difference. Okay, that is the difference. Next. Okay, please read that. This is the first picture and the second picture, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, just read, because in that sentence, you can find out what is the difference on that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you'll start. No. You'll
Two
start on the first picture. Go.
two astronauts are playing golf. There there are two trees with leaves. The robot is watching TV inside the rocket. The, there are three other planes. The robot is square. One astronaut no rocket in the sky. Two astronauts are playing badminton. There are two tree towers. There are two trees with pink flowers. The robot is cooking inside the rocket. The is one other plane. The robot hit in ground. One astronaut is wearing white gloves. Then Nora behind the tree. There a rocket in the sky. The flying astronaut looks sad.
Yes, so that is the difference between the first picture and the second picture, okay? Okay, next. So example, the planet we live on is called Earth. Earth is one of the, is your answer? Try to answer it down. Earth
In.
is one of the 8 planets.
In.
Okay, that is the answer, okay? Can you read? Okay, number 1, can you read together with the correct
That
answer? Go.
teacher, I can go to see.
Hello, what? Hello, Dong? What happened? What?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, number 1. Okay, example, 8 planets that move round and round the sun. Okay, number 2.
Number 2 is the 20th
Until,
century we didn't.
again, until the 20th century we didn't. Okay, number 3. Have,
Have any really good map of all.
okay, number 4.
Plan, but now we take picture on Earth with speaker camera is big and making map is easy.
Yes, very good. Okay, so please continue reading. I already give you an answer, okay? Just only read, okay? Go.
Most of all plant has
Planet.
planet has water on it, so in picture Earth then looks like a big blue and white ball, but picture of Earth don't only help you to
As
make map. When we look at them, we can also learn a lot about the Earth, every
environment.
environment and weather. Traveling, traveling in space and watching other planets help us to learn more about Earth too. Would you like to be an astronaut one day?
Okay. Okay, what is the name of the planet where we live? Can you remember what is the name of the planet where we live? Start with letter E.
Don't.
We live in Earth, remember?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no. How many planets move round and round the sun? How many planets move round and round the sun? How many planets that we had?
Two.
Okay. 8 planets. Okay. Number 3. What does our planet look like from space?
I don't.
A blue and a white ball. Okay. Oh, look at. Can you read the planet?
Earth, Mars, Saturn,
Saturn.
Saturn, Jupiter,
Jupiter. Yes.
Jupiter. Uh, uh,
We have Pluto.
Pluto, Venus, Mercury,
Mercury.
Uranus,
Uranus.
Uranus, Neptune,
Okay, so look at
Moon, the Sun.
yes, so we have sun. Okay, we have sun, we have moon, right? We have Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, and Earth. So Earth has only many peoples live, okay? The other planet has an aliens only. Right? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yes, on the earth has a people. Okay. Okay, let's have a planet vocabulary. Please read it. What is that?
Mars,
Mars.
Saturn,
Next, what is that?
Jupiter, Pluto,
Pluto.
Pluto, Venus, Mercury, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, so let's start this. Let's learn. First planet from the sun is, okay, just listen this, okay?
Color.
12E. A journey into space. Listen and write the names of the planets and then
Huh?
color the planets.
Huh?
1.
Dad, I have to write the names of the planets and color this picture. Can you help me?
All right. Find the planet that's nearest the sun.
Do you mean the smallest planet?
Yes. Color it brown. That's the color of Mercury in space.
Mercury? Okay.
2.
Now, look for the biggest planet. Its name is Jupiter.
And what color is Jupiter?
Well, first, draw a red spot on that planet.
And then what must I do?
Put some orange and yellow stripes on that planet.
All right.
3.
4 of the planets have rings round them. Can you see?
Oh, yes. What's the name of this planet? The one with the most rings.
That's Saturn.
And I know what color Saturn is. It's yellow.
That's right. Use that color.
4.
Which planet is between Saturn and Neptune?
That's Uranus. And Uranus is the same color as Neptune.
So it's light blue then?
That's right. Make it that color.
5.
The last planet to color is Mars.
Wait a minute. Mars is the red planet, isn't it?
That's right.
Great. I've got the right pencil here then. Thanks, Dad. That's the end of my homework.
Okay, so I know you hear that. Okay, what is the first planet from the sun?
What?
What is the first planet from the sun?
Mercury.
Yes, the fourth planet from the sun.
Mars.
The fifth planet from the sun. The fifth planet.
Jupiter.
Yes, the sixth planet from the sun.
Saturn.
The seventh planet from the sun.
Astronaut.
Okay, so let's learn. Okay, how to say temperature in English? Okay, how can you say 16 degrees Celsius? Do you know that how to read? Okay, can you read that?
What?
16 degrees Celsius
16 degrees Celsius.
or centigrade.
Centigrade.
Okay, next, please read it. Minus 75 degrees Celsius or 75 degree below zero. Okay. Okay. So what color is the earth when you look at it from the space? We have blue and white. How many moons has earth got? Only one. What's the temperature on earth? That is 14 degrees Celsius. Has earth got any rings around that? No. How long does it take for earth to travel around the sun? We have 365 days, 6 hours, and 16 minutes, okay? So I will ask you, what color is the earth when you look at it from the space?
Blue and white.
How many moons has earth got? How many moons has earth got? One only, right?
Yeah.
What's the temperature on earth? About
40.
Yes, about 14 degrees Celsius. Has earth got any rings around that? No. Okay, how long does it take from earth to travel around the sun?
No.
We have 365 days. Okay, 365 days, 6 hours and 16 minutes, okay? Okay, let's find out about other planets. Okay. Would you like to travel in space? In your own? Would you like to travel in space? Yes or
Earth.
no? Yes? Would you
Yeah.
like to travel in space? Yes or no?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's very,
You want to
very,
explore?
yeah.
Okay, which planets would you like to visit?
I don't.
You can choose one of the planet. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 planet, and then you can choose if you would like to travel in space. What planet do you like?
Earth.
No, you already in Earth. How about in the other planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay, how long might the journey be? Guess. Okay, maybe Jupiter. We can go to the Jupiter for how many months? Okay. Okay, now, so we have Mercury. What color does it look? Gray. What temperature? 4 to 7 degrees Celsius max. Rings or no rings? No. 88 days. Oh, how long take go around sun? 88. Mars, we have 685 days. How many moons? 2. Venus, we have 225 days. Jupiter, oh, 63 name moons. And you can take to the Jupiter down for almost 4,331 days. It's so how for how many years you have been there? Okay, Saturn, 52 names moons, and then you can go there 10,759 days. For the last, we have Neptune. What color does it look? That is bright blue like Uranus. And then, how long take go around? 60,190 days. We have 30 known moons. Okay? Please always remember that down. Can you read it? We have Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a homework. Learn more about the solar system. So what have you learned our solar system today?
Uh, is plain.
Okay, very good. So how many planets that you learned today?
I learn uh,
How many planets?
7.
Oh, 7, 8. 7 or 8?
8.
Okay, so can you tell me what are those planets?
Uh, I don't.
Oh, I know you know it. What are those? We have Jupiter,
Ah.
Uranus. What else?
Mm,
We have Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Right? Can you remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. Please don't forget. Okay. Go remember.
Is C Matt.
Go. Just remember that. Okay. Again, we have Earth. Just remember that we have Earth,
We have Earth,
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Uranus, Neptune, Mars,
Neptune, Mars, Sun, Earth, uh,
Okay, so please don't forget what you have learned in that lesson, okay?
yeah,
Don't forget the 8 planets, okay? Okay, do you have any
yes,
question?
yes,
Do you have any question?
yes.
Yes or no? Do you have any question? So what is your question?
Question 2.
So what is your question?
Question 2, 3. Mm.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Dong. Good night, Dong. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Goodbye.